Hello, I have the Lego Ghostbusters Ecto-1 Kit 10274, and I bought the through T Club the Kyglaring light kit with sound and RC. There's three different kits. This is the one with sound and RC, and I'm trying to install it from the beginning. They assume, of course, like other kits, that the Lego Ecto-1 is already assembled and that you take it apart to install the light kit. But instead, I've already built the first three bags of the Ecto-1, and I stopped because of the tail lights are right here. But when I got the kit, I decided, after I looked online on their instructions, that bag 1 is step 1, and step 2 and step 3 and so on. So here it shows how to do the headlights on step 1. Step 2 goes to doing the 4 lights on the bumper. And then step 3 are the strobes that are on the grill, as you see here. So what I did is decided to go forward in the book and go to here's the bag number 1 from the light kit, and you go to page 197 of the Lego installation manual, and all of these are from Lego bag number 7. So all 3 of these steps, the first 3 steps, come from bag number 7. So all the parts are in, which sometimes they have more than one bag of each number. I've combined all my stuff into one of each of the numbered bags. So I've got bag 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 here. And of course the tires and the windshield. So what I did is I opened up bag 1 of the light kit and got the parts out of bag 7 for the headlights and the 4 can lights for step 2. And the light kit includes orange LEDs for the can lights, fog lights, driving lights, whatever you want to call them, that go here on the bumper. And then I got all the parts for the grill and for the strobes for step 3. So like I said, this is page 197. Just starts with step 396 in the installation manual. And then back on 175, we have step 2, which is showing how they do the driving lights. Page 175. Bag 2, step 2. And then step 3 of the light kit, which starts on page 182. And this step in the manual, 355. So that's what I'm going to do. I've kind of decided to do this one a little differently. And I'm going to pre-assemble this stuff before they get installed. So install all the LEDs into the headlights and everything, and pre-build these assemblies before building the actual steps in the book, so that as I build the model, I'll do the steps and the LEDs will already be installed. So I'll let you know how my progress goes. Thank you for watching.